What is a miracle? I am not asked to make a sacrifice to find the mercy and the peace of God. Of course, this is true in several different ways. No, you don't need to sacrifice your firstborn child. You don't need to sacrifice a goat or a sheep. No. And you don't need to sacrifice yourself. And you don't need to give up your life. You don't need to give up anything. In fact, the interesting thing about this is that what it's saying is that you do not understand your reality. You think you're a body, and you're wrong. You think you're in a physical world, and you're completely delusional. You're not actually seeing what is right here in front of you. You're not actually feeling what is right there, ready to feel. And everything that justifies this physicality is continuing the cyclation or repeating of your belief system, desiring that you receive and have what you want to have. So until you actually want the truth of and the peace and the God and the holiness and the innocent and the heaven more than you want separation, pain, and suffering, you will not see it. You will not receive it. You will believe it's not even there. But that heaven will open its doors, its gates to you when you see yourself and the world as innocent. Same idea as God saw it as good. This completion of God is because of what God is, cannot have existence without a sense of perception. You, the Son of God, is the sense of exploration, of perception, among the totality of God. That completes the whole existence of all that is, to now be experienced by you. Getting fully involved, fully invested in it, it does seem like you can get lost in stories and dreams and caught up in ways of life. But as much as we're calling out and teaching this, it will eventually come a time where there is a drastic decision needing to be made, and it will be ready for you, unveiling within you when that time comes. So, you're preparing yourself through forgiveness every step of the way. All of this practice is getting ready for that single moment. That moment is unique to you. You'll see it coming. You have anticipation, you have dreams, you have imaginary ideas of it. You think you know what it is, and then you think you know, you don't know what it is, and you keep revealing to yourself different layers and layers and layers of beliefs that seem to get in the way, ideas that you have otherwise. All definitions are needing to be forgiven. All ways are needing to be healed. So they reveal themselves for your moment, for that blessed moment, when you accept the innocence that you are, and now heaven reveals itself to you